In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your status in Slack. Whether you're working remotely, heading out for a break, or want to provide a quick update to your colleagues, setting a status in Slack is a simple and effective way to keep everyone in the loop. Let's dive right in and learn how to do this step by step. First, to get started, open your Slack app and make sure you're in the right workspace. Navigate to the Slack channel or main page. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of your screen for your profile icon or avatar. It usually has your picture or initials if you haven't uploaded a photo. Go ahead and click on your profile picture. This click will open up a small menu containing various options related to your profile settings and adjustments you might want to make. Now that you've accessed this menu, you should see an option that says Update Your Status. Click on that. This will bring up another window where you'll be able to write your new status. Consider what kind of updates you want to provide. Whether it's letting your team know you're in a meeting, working from home, or simply out for lunch, this text will communicate your current status to your teammates. Type your desired message in the text box provided. Additionally, Slack offers you the option to include an emoji that complements your status message. This can be a fun way to convey how you're feeling or what you're up to. You'll find a small emoji icon right next to the text box. Clicking on this will give you a plethora of emojis to choose from. Pick the one that best fits your situation. After you have crafted your status and selected an accompanying emoji, take a moment to review it and ensure it conveys the right message. Once you're satisfied with everything, you'll want to make your changes official by clicking the Save button. You'll typically find this button at the bottom of the status update window. Clicking Save will update your status for everyone in your Slack workspace to see. And there you have it, your new status in Slack is now set and visible to your colleagues who can adjust their interactions with you accordingly. Remember, setting and updating your status regularly helps your team understand your availability and helps maintain seamless communication. This method ensures everybody is on the same page concerning your availability